Find features that differentiate it from other brands for Nymzview 4K+2.5K+2.5K, 3-channel dashcam. And why you should choose. Because, consists of highlight features as follows. 4K, UHD, 3-channel dashcam front and rear. Capture UHD footage with this dashcam 4K system, recording front, rear, and cabin views simultaneously. As a practical dashcam front and rear, it reduces blind spots and records important license plate details with high precision. This 3-channel dashcam provides full coverage, making it a dependable car dashcam front and back for daily commuting and rideshare safety. Equipped with 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, this dashcam offers 3x faster and more stable data transfer than standard models. This dashcam front and rear allows you to preview, download, and share footage instantly via the smart app. Enjoy a cable-free experience for managing your dashcam's recordings, no PC or card removal required. IR night vision, dashcam front and inside. Featuring 4 IR LEDs and a high-sensitivity sensor, this dashcam front and inside records clearly in low light or total darkness. Designed for rideshare and taxi drivers, this interior dashcam helps monitor passenger activity to support safer nighttime driving. It works as a reliable dashcam for car interiors, ensuring every detail inside the cabin is documented. 24 hours parking monitor, car dashcam front and back. This car dashcam supports 24-hour parking monitoring, G-sensor collision detection, and loop recording to save important clips automatically. Motion detection triggers recording when activity is detected, providing added protection for your vehicle. A reliable dashcam front and rear system that manages storage space efficiently for continuous protection. Hardwire kit required. Easy installation, practical car tech gift. This car dashcam front and back set includes a 16.4 feet cable for simple plug-and-play setup in most sedans and SUVs. As an essential car camera dashcam, it makes a practical tech gift for new drivers, parents, and commuters. This dashcam system is more than a gadget, it is a helpful driving recorder for everyday road safety. Not for long trucks/RVs. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.